In this video, we are going to see how to use switch function. The switch function evaluates one value, that is called the expression, against a list of values and returns the result corresponding to the first matching value. In this sheet, we have a table that has rating, and based on rating, we have to assign the results, whether it is good, very good, bad, average, poor, etc. I have not taken large data deliberately so that it is easy to understand. Suppose you have data more than 200 rows and you want to assign the results using the function. One of the option is you can do it using the if function. First, let's see how to assign the results using if function. So in this table, we are going to assign the results. So we'll type equal to if the rating is equal to 1, the value of the result will be poor, comma, rating is equal to 2, then the result will be bad, comma, if the rating is equal to 3, the result will be average, comma, if rating is equal to 4, result will be good, comma, if rating is equal to 5, result will be very good. So close the bracket once, twice, thrice, four, and the fifth bracket, and we press enter. Now when you drag this, you will get the results for the respective ratings. So if I change it to 5, it will be very good. If I change this to 2, it will be bad, so on and so forth. But when we used if function, we have to type multiple ifs, or you can say we used nested if to get the result. Let's see how we can use this switch function that to get the same result. So we'll delete this data. We are going to type the switch function over here. So it will be equal to switch. The expression will be the rating, value 1. So we are going to give the value 1 as 1, and the result, we are going to assign the result. For 1 it is poor, so we'll just type poor, comma, again we'll have to give the rating, so that will be 2, so value 2 will be 2, comma, for 2 it is bad, so the result is bad, comma, again the value will be 3, comma, result will be average, comma, 4, that is the value or the rating, comma, good, comma, 5, and the 5 the result will be very good, and we'll close the bracket once, and when you press enter you'll get the result. If you drag it, you will get the results for the other ratings. So you see, both if function and switch function gives the same result, but switch function is more simple while if function is complex as we have to write multiple ifs. Now it's up to you to decide whether you want to use if function or switch function. Do let me know in comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. I'll catch you in the next video.